Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find archived emails on Gmail in a very simple way. Just for showing you, if you click on any of email, like I'm choosing this email, and if unconsciously, if you click on this archive option over here, that email will be archived into another parts of Gmail. So how are you going to find out? Just simply come over into the more section, click on that. And then you will find an option called all email. So click on that. And after that, you can find that you can see this Microsoft account. This is archived over here. So if you click on that and simply click on move to inbox icon over here, it will redirect to the inbox in a very simple way. So this is how we can find archived emails on Gmail in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.